Hey everybody, my wife got me a GoPro Hero 11 Black for Christmas, and this is my very first time using it. I am down at the Branson Landing in Branson, Missouri, and yeah, so anyways, I have no idea what I'm doing. First time user, no video experience other than the cell phone, and I'm looking forward to learning this thing. We're at Branson Landing on Lake Taneycomo. I believe there was a trout tournament yesterday. There were a lot more boats on the water. There's guys out here fishing, boats everywhere. Bass Pro Shop's down at the other end. And that's the bridge. We're gonna take a bunch of little short clips and try to piece them together in the QUIK app, which I did download. Branson Landing water fountains, pretty cool. It's really windy. You can see the flag blowing in the background, so I'm curious what this wind is going to sound like on this camera with just the stock standard mic. I'm kind of scared to put it underwater first time out, but definitely windy, maybe 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. I'm just curious how loud that wind is going to be. Well, I'm going to wrap this up because I'm trying to keep it short enough to go into the QUIK app and upload it. I guess the QUIK app only allows you 2 minutes of video, so I'm going to sign out and see y'all later.